My new 2007 Peterbilt 379. From the pictures that were posted on Facebook, I got a bunch of questions about what this door was here. Sleeper door. Goes right up into the sleeper in there. Then you got your side box and all your junk down here. All kinds of cleaning stuff and all that good junk. Side box, I got a toolbox and a bunch of carpet for padding for equipment. Alright, then on the passenger side here, side box. Got all my V-boards, corner protectors, and all my 2-inch straps. And back here in this toolbox, got all my 4-inch straps, strap winder. Got portable winches on both sides for trailers that don't have enough winches or don't have them in the right places. One of my big tarps down here. All my chains and binders up there. Got smaller tarp, ladder. Got my winch bar and 5th wheel puller, 2x4, and pipe stakes and stuff in there. This new truck's a whole lot better than the last one. I got duals again, I got polished rims, air slide 5th wheel. Passenger side. Passenger side. It's got a rigid mount seat on this side. Power window on the passenger side. Here. Bucket up here. We got 1-inch straps and gloves. Driver's side, we got a fire extinguisher, work gloves, glad hand lock, permit book, safety glasses, and a tape measure down there somewhere. Got manual windows on this side. And then we got power passenger window, power mirrors, and the top button up here is the mirror heat. Let's see. A whole bunch of gauges in this truck. You got volts, coolant temperature, oil pressure, RPM, speed, fuel, primary and secondary air gauges. Let's see if you can see it. On this side over here, Got the ignition, the dimmer for the dash lights, the hazards. Then up here is the utility lights and the headache rack. And these are the marker lights and then the headlights over here. This thing down here is where all the turn signals, high beam indicator, and all that stuff. Up there is where all the check engine lights and warning lights and stuff pop up. Truck has 598,139 miles. There's no light for you to see up there. Alright, well up there I got my little Tracker's Angel thing. I got sunglasses. I think I got oversized and overweight permit regulation book. And the cargo securement handbook, handbook for drivers. Sun visor. You can see the stainless steel visor up there. You can probably see it better that way. Hanging down there. Got the let's see, the thing for the rope for the air horn. Over the driver's door, you got a speaker. You got 2 lights. Seatbelt and everything. It's just a pretty standard air seat. Down there, that little pedal there, that's how you adjust the steering wheel. And then obviously, clutch, brake, gas, or fuel. Let's see. You got your trailer handbrake. This light right here lights up and you got a message on the Qualcomm. Let's see. Top one up there is oil temp, manifold pressure, which is your boost pressure. This one right here is the pyrometer. It's the exhaust temperature. So we get some light. Right here you got transmission temp, front axle temp, rear axle temp. You got your brake application gauge, shows you how much pressure you're putting on the pedal. It's your air filter restriction gauge. It tells you when it needs to be replaced. When it gets up towards the square, it means it's all dirty and shit. And then it's just a clock that I can't adjust. The little things that stick out so you can move the hands that are broken off. Cheap little TA calendar. It's an airbag dump, 5th wheel air slide, and that's the inner axle lock. Let's see. Down here you got the strobe light on the roof for oversized stuff, engine fan, jake brake, 3-stage jake, cruise control, CD player, heat and AC. This one right here controls the heat, air conditioning and stuff in the bunk. GPS. Then there you get your brake knobs. Ashtray, music for change. You got 2 little lighter sockets down there. Cup holder. Isn't really good for anything. Let's see. There you go. It's a some sort of a 9-speed. Once you get to 8th gear, it'll automatically switch to 9th when it's ready. And it's got the low on the over there. Let's see, over here in front of the passenger seat, you got a glove box. Got all my accident kit and all that junk, and the book for the Caterpillar stuff. A little flat spot up there for whatever, I don't know. Passenger seat. I know this is what everybody wants to see. There is your view out of the driver's seat over the hood and the visor. You got one little mirror there, and if you look at it, you can see in front of the truck, except for that one little corner there where, right there where it's in the bug shield's in front of it. There's a view out of the passenger or the driver's window, air cleaner and mirrors. Passenger's view. And then you got another little storage thing up there. I got, I don't know, paperwork stuff, more lights, another speaker. Got my CB, my Cobra 29, Got a light up here. I got my mic. And the little retractor thing. Let's see. No. Alright, got my shoes. Got my atlas and load paperwork between the seats here. I had a lot of questions about the difference between the Freightliners and Peterbilt sleepers is. Here's your difference. There's a roof right above you. You can't stand, well, I can stand up, but there isn't a whole lot of room. You gotta climb or go through this here. Zoom out. And then there's a step. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. There you go. So you gotta step over that to get in the sleeper. On the driver's seat, I got a little seat organizer with my knife, and I always carry a lighter because I have locks on my my chain rack and all that stuff. In the winter when they get all iced up, you just hold the lighter underneath it, it melts the ice out real quick. Safety vest. We even got company hard hats. Open your curtains here to go in the sleeper. Alright, you step through your little thing here, you gotta duck a little bit. I'll pin these curtains back. Alright. There's a little closet behind the driver's seat here, and right there's the switch for the light for the bunk. There isn't a switch in the front, like in Freightliners. Guess we'll start on this side here. Got my towel hanging up. The last driver apparently put a hook here. Yep. It's got a snap front curtain thing for the closet. Here I got all my sweatshirts. And the truck's got a built-in inverter. I got trash bags, and I probably can't even see that. Yeah, you can't see that. But anyway, there's two binders. I took all the stuff from orientation, all the stuff about flatbedding and company policies, and put it on those little laminated, whatever you want to call them, covers. In the storage area, I got water, paper towels, I got some food, extra hats, mirror, belt. Over here, you got a light right above it. And you got a speaker, you got another little storage area, and then that handle in there opens the top vent on the sleeper. You got two storage areas right there. You got another light up there. You got a vent, another vent, and you got a light right there. You got the heat and air conditioning controls for the sleeper, another light, the buckle for the net for the sleeper. There's that door I was showing you outside. And you got the regular pop-out vents right there. I'll show you what I got in here. This one up here, I got all my truck stop guides, next exit guide, truck service guide, and I got my hazmat stuff and the, you know, that green book, all the federal laws and stuff. Okay. And this one up here, I got forks, spoons, knives, paper plates. I got my flag hung up in this truck too. I got a light up there. Alright, it's the bed. It's about the same size as in the Freightliner I had. Got the other buckle, just the vent on this side. There's my shower bag, alarm clocks. Got my TV. Above on this side, they got two more storage areas. Another thing with the vent, speaker, and this up here. I think somebody had a TV mounted on there. Not really sure. I haven't figured that out yet. Here I got movies, trip envelopes. On the side over here, got extra shower stuff and Tylenol and vitamins and stuff. Another vent, another light. On the side over here you got a light, another storage area. This is where I keep all my my computer and camera and there we go. Can't really see anything in there, it's too dark, but all that junk. And then behind the passenger seat there's another closet with a snap front on it. And if you remember from the truck tour video from my last truck, I had big Rubbermaid containers on the top bunk to put all my clothes in, but there's no top bunk. So I used the closet here. I got a little 2-drawer thing and these 3 crate things here that all stack up to put all my clothes in. And then just snap shut. And then under the bunk, the beds don't lift up like in the other truck. You can't see anything under here, but I have a little table thing, and way up under there I got my microwave. Pull that out when I need it. And this truck's got carpet in the sleeper. There's a little step, you can see it now. And then my coil comm thing. And that right there is the little coil looking thing, is the little air hose thing to blow out the cab. And yes, that's the thing you're stepping under when you come into the sleeper here. Just a little opening. And then back to that seat organizer thing, I got small flashlight, LEDs. So you can see it, there you go. Got 2 small screwdrivers. Got a little multi-tool. Got scissors. I got my big LED mag light here. And that's about it. There's the view over the driver's seat here and the dash. I also wanted to give you guys an idea just how big these trucks are compared to like Freightliners and Volvos and stuff. This right here is how tall I am. That's the top of the hood. But I think that is everything. Thanks for watching.